Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix zero views on TikTok. But before that, why does your TikTok get zero views? It's sometimes because your former videos didn't get a lot of views or you didn't follow the TikTok algorithm. However, once we solve this problem, I believe your videos can get plenty of engagement later. Let's check out the reasons one by one. So first, your TikTok account is new and has not been trusted by TikTok's algorithm. And the second, your TikTok content is inappropriate or politically sensitive. Third, your TikTok content is not original or copies from others, but upload as yours. This means you are involved in copyright infringement. Fourth, your content is low quality, dull ideas, incomplete or not interesting, so that nobody wants to watch your videos. And the fifth, your TikTok go wrong as one of your accounts connected to the same phone number. And the seventh, your videos are under review for some other reasons. So knowing that the possible reasons, you need to also know least likely reasons why you get zero views on TikTok, such as you have uploaded many videos with no particular focus on a niche, or TikTok has a glitch that unable to count views on your videos. If you also use YouTube and want to get more views on it, these tips are also helpful. So first, check the privacy settings. Sometimes your privacy settings can be a reason why you cannot get views. So, before uploading your videos on TikTok, please check your privacy settings first. Step 1. After shooting a video on TikTok, you can see who can view this video on the interface for posting videos. Step 2. You can set these settings according to your preferences without using the Only Me option. Then, you may get views from other people. And the second, check the privacy settings of your accounts. To get rid of the zero views on TikTok, checking the privacy settings of your account on TikTok is another way. You can follow steps in this video to make sure your account is not a private account. Step 1. Open the TikTok and click on the three horizontal lines that are located at the top of your screen. Step 2. Scroll through the settings and privacy and click on the privacy icon. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.